Alrighty guys, so he's here. Say hello to Hi guys. What the heck?
How do you want me to say hi?
Hi guys. You sounded creepy. Come on, be serious. Say hello to everyone. Hi guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. Alrighty guys, so today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Today is actually Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you amazing dads out there. It is currently around 9:30 in the evening. We just got back from dinner. Danny is actually resting in the bedroom right now. I apologize in advance if I am whispering. Just put that volume up. I don't want him to hear us talking because this is a surprise for him. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but on Valentine's Day I gifted him a Rolex Yacht Master, and on that day he actually put his name on a waiting list on a specific watch, and this watch is here now guys. I purchased this watch before the lockdown, so my AD called me letting me know that the watch that he wants is actually now at the boutique, and if we want it we can pick it up already. So I decided to pick it up by myself, that way I can gift it to him or give it to him on Father's Day, which is today. I'm pretty surprised that I was able to keep it this long because I have a big mouth, you know, anything can come out of this mouth. But yeah, let me just call him right now and give him my gift. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, he's now here. I can finally stop whispering. Say hello.
Hello.
Do you know why you're here?
No. I was relaxing and you bugged me.
Well, I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
I have a surprise for you.
Okay, come on. Where's my car?
What do you mean a car? I don't have a car, okay? I don't have a car for you. You have a nice car already. We don't need to. We don't need another one. Maybe you can give me a car.
Yeah.
Okay, so just wait in here, okay? Talk to them.
Okay, talk to them.
Close your eyes. Here you go. Big open.
Is it?
Open.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
You should unbox it in front of them. So this is what it looks like inside. As you guys already can tell, it is a Rolex. So it's just stuffed with tissue paper. So because I want you to open it. Do you think we should do more videos together? He should do his own unboxing video, huh?
I'm good.
So you have to show them the box first.
I know, I gotta put it back together because you were talking.
Oh my gosh, you're so excited.
So I got distracted. Okay. Go on, you have to give me your tips, what I do.
Okay, so just take it off. So as you can see, what is it in front of it? You have that
you have to let it
3D
focus.
print.
It's like not focusing. How do you make it focus?
Oh,
right there.
you go.
Yeah.
So you have that crown 3D print on the top
Of the box.
of the box.
Their boxes are always so nice.
I know. You gotta show it, baby.
Oh, okay. And this is
Oh, that's the receipt. Yeah, this is the receipt.
Okay.
You don't have to show that.
and
then you have the kind of like a flap,
yeah. What I always wonder why they made it like this though.
so it's easier for you to
Really?
take it
Just-
out. You don't
this
have
is
to.
how you
No,
do
because
it.
you don't flip it. If you
Why?
flip it, you might ruin it. It might open and drop it.
Really?
Yeah,
No,
that's probably why.
Watch, you flip it like this with your hand here. How's it gonna drop?
This is what the box looks like. Baby, you. Do you know what this is?
Well, no, I don't.
Okay, so
I actually can't get out.
do you have an OC?
Oh.
Do you have an idea of what this is inside?
I mean, something. A watch, maybe.
Of course it's a watch. It's a dildo inside. Oh yeah,
Oh.
try it out. So since I already know, you know, his size, I just have it taken off already. So this is just the extra link and the, you know, the price tag and everything. So
Ooh, let me
this is what it looks like up close. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah, they can see it now.
There you go. It still has that protective
film.
Film.
Oh,
No, it's not a film.
Ring,
yeah,
plastic.
the plastic
Around the head.
around the. It's not the head.
Yeah, it's the head of the face. Face.
The face, yes.
Yeah,
And then right
see,
here.
I'm starting to learn my watch lingo.
You have the Rolex logo there. I hope you guys can see it. It's kind of like blue.
I need to get out so you can like focus.
Can you see it?
Yeah,
there you go. And then like on my previous video with him, you have the it's kind of hard, like the booklet, care booklet in here, and then you have the warranty booklet on the other side. This one is
make sure it's covered.
Yeah, it's covered.
I'm just joking.
This one is the authenticity card. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Ooh.
Okay, now open it up.
Oh man, I always had to be like so careful because I get nervous.
Of course, you have to be careful.
Oh, hopefully my wrist didn't get bigger.
I don't think so.
Haven't worn a watch for a while.
Oh yeah, because probably of the COVID,
you know,
yeah, lockdown.
Plus, I like to, you know, I like to treat these things like, you know, gold. No. Man, I can't think of the word. Precious.
Precious. What the heck? So let me show you guys a little close-up first. It's probably gonna be hard to see because of the light, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna make sure to put a close-up video at the very end of the video, that way you can see what the watch looks like up close. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it out.
Ooh, okay. Whew.
There you go.
Lucky I got skinnier. I might need to take out another link.
Oh yeah,
right? A little loose, huh?
That's true.
Cool.
Wow, so that's what it looks like.
So you want to take off this?
Yeah,
carefully.
we can take it out, that way they can see it. There you have it, guys. Are you happy?
Yes.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Wait, you don't have to kiss me. You don't have to kiss me on camera, okay? This is PG. Don't ever kiss me.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys,
Cool.
I'm so
Thank
happy.
you. I'm glad.
You're gonna kiss me again.
No, I'm not gonna kiss you.
By the way, guys, we didn't even have to wait. There is a waiting list for this, but we only waited for a couple of weeks actually before our AD called us. So wow, that's pretty fast.
I think that's luck, huh?
Yeah, I'm so happy and grateful for her. I'm gonna be listing my AD's information down below, guys. That way, if you are looking for someone to help you at Rolex and you live in Los Angeles, you can go check her out. Jojo is amazing, guys. I highly recommend her. You can even watch my last video. I'm gonna put a link up here somewhere. That way you can watch, you know, the story on how we met Jojo. But yeah, oh, you look so excited.
What are you talking about?
Alrighty, guys, so we thought we'd show you a close-up of the Submariner watch. The reason why my Yachtmaster watch is next to it is that we can do a side-by-side comparison. We're gonna do a close-up of the Submariner right now, but we're not gonna do it too close because there is a serial number on the watch. But that's what it looks like. As you can see, it has the brushed center links compared to the Yachtmaster that has a polished center links. Also, for the Yachtmaster, it has a bidirectional rotating bezel, meaning you can rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise, just like that. The Sub is unidirectional rotating bezel, which means it only rotates one way, and it's to your left. The reason why the Submariner watch is unidirectional is because it's a diver watch. As you can probably already tell by the name, it's called Submariner, and it tracks your dive time. Alrighty, guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for, you know,
being the greatest, of course.
No, you're not the greatest. For being a part of my video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.